Hey, welcome back to part 2 of the unboxing review of MECARD DELUXE. So just to recap again, put the head back, put the arms up, get that little like coffin symbol down. Then you want to put small wing there, and then flip the large wing over it, which does not make any sense. So let's just do it the other way and put the large wing forward, and then this. Nope, that does not make any sense. A lot of these things are very Botgun-ish, where their instructions don't really make sense. So there we go. So it did work. It is in a translucent black, which I kind of like better than these other two in these kind of like smoked glacier white translucent plastics. So anyway, you just go ahead and kind of roll it. The card will flip over, and then you match that flashing symbol with its power. So with this card, since it's blue, we'll look right there in the middle, which is blue, so he gets a 100. Now if we were to do it like this, and I don't know, I'm just going to use, I don't know which one I'm going to use, like that. This one, since it's blue, it'll get only 20, so pretty much, I know. So this side is going to be your side with the name, and this will be the enemy side depending if their card got there first. So if the enemy's card got here first, you lay it this way, the name would be upside down, the character would be upside down, and then that. But since Yuri got here, this would be Yuri's one. So it kind of works like that. Whoever gets the card to the card first, it becomes their card, and they match, the red, blue, and black to their symbol, and that determines who wins the battle. So in a battle between these two, if we flip it around so it's a little bit easier to see here. Yeah. Dorky only has a power of 20 for its blue, while Yuri has a power of 100 for its blue, so Yuri won the battle. This one lost the battle. What I find kind of funny is, a lot of these things don't match up on the box. Like, see right here, it looks like there's a lot of actual bats sticking out. And over here, they are just painted on. I would love to have like that. And look, you don't even get the top of the car like this. With that cool little symbol on there. It's not on the front here. It's not on the... Actually, it is semi-present right here. Which, it does have panel lines on there, but very, very small. And as you can see here, it's deep, it's gouged, it's actually weights. And looks a lot cooler. And they couldn't get the dings right. That's supposed to be orange for the grill, and instead we got red for the grill. Yeah. But I mean, I guess it's okay. But yeah, that has been the unboxing review of MECARD DELUXE. Remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below. Alright, thanks, bye.